Hey guys, this is your girl Leonie McKenzie coming to you with another video. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a plant with me. I will plant some okra seeds. Here you see me digging the soil. This is some leftover soil that I had from previous video. I'm loosening the soil because it's a bit clumpy right now because it's the exposure to the rain and all of that, everything hardened together. So I just digging it to get it loose and so I can get the finer part of it to put in the tray, in some trays. This soil is a premium mix. Here you see me filling the trays. This is one of the tray. I have two trays, so I'm filling this tray and then I'm gonna fill the other one with the soil. I try to get out the finer part of the soil to put in the tray. I'm almost finished with this one. Here we go, a little bit more. Okay. Then I level the soil in the tray. Then I get the next one here, and I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna get some more of the dirt to put in the tray. So guys, here in this part of the video you can see me trying to remove some seeds from the okra pot that I have from last season. The struggle is hard to open this pot, but you know, I keep trying. I need at least 12. Okay, so I got some. Okay, here you can see me checking to see how much seeds I have to put in this tray. And I'm gonna make the holes for these seeds. So this tray has 6 slots, so I'm make 6 holes in this tray and I'm gonna make 6 in the other tray. And then I have 1 seed per hole. As you can see, I pinch to close the holes. I use my fingers to pinch the hole close. So that one is finished. I'll do the other tray now. Here we go. So here I have 13 seeds. I put 2 seeds per hole in this tray, and then the extra one go into another tray still. Okay guys, that's about it. Now I'm gonna move these trays to the garden. I put them on a tray and take them to the garden where I'm gonna water them and leave them out so they can germinate. And that's a wrap.